That's Zero with an X. Job done with Zero.
Andrew Dickens, powered by ResV from About Health, proudly made in New Zealand on News Talk ZB.
Yes, the time now, 2:26. G'day, Craig.
Hey Andrew, how you doing?
Great.
Hey, I'm an employer. I employ about 22, 23 people at the moment on Hospo. And minimum wage things, I understand, trying to pay people good money, and I think I'm pretty fair. But I do have some people on minimum wage. The issue is that we have to treat everybody the same, and that's the frustration. So, if I want to employ a kid who's still at, wrong word, but a person who's still at school, and I do that, I have to pay them this. If we're working from the minimum, I'm going to pay them the same as, say, an experienced person with 3 kids. So that if the use rate thing that went out the window, I think that's done a disservice to being able to pay fairly. So you've got a kid who lives at home, studying or at school or studying whatever, comes back from university, low overheads, etc. But I've got to pay them the full whack.
And there's still the starting out and training hourly minimum wages there as well. That's been increased by 40 cents to $11.80 an hour.
Yeah, okay. So how long does that last? Or maybe that's what...
You have dialed 111 emergency. Your call is being connected.
Yeah, hi. I'm just calling to report that there's a vehicle on the number 16 motorway that's carrying a trailer, and they're dumping all the items from the trailer are falling on the road, and there's a huge sack on the road now.
Okay, do you need me to connect to the police?
No, yeah, I guess so. I'm not sure who to contact, so I just wanted to report this.
Okay, I'm connecting you to police now. Just stay on the line with me.
Sure, thanks.
You're welcome.
Sure, thanks.
Where is your emergency?
Yes, hi. Just calling to report that there's a vehicle on the number 16 motorway that's carrying a trailer.